welcome back again. Today is day 2, the morning after. So what I did yesterday, I couldn't show you because it was too dark. Basically what I did, I had to wash out the maize, like rinse it at least 3-4 times. I think the 3 times. The 4th time is the water that I let the maize soak in. So the water that you saw me taking out in a jar is fermented water from the from the maize, of course, and that was all still used, but it's not a lot of people. It's not a lot of my young people my age that still do that, but it's something that I grew up doing, something that I ate when I was very young, like under 10. It's called mokeme. So you can think of it as oats, African oats, homemade oats. I'll show you how to cook it. I'll show you how we can go through the whole process, but as for now, I just wanted to update you guys what we have done so far. So living in the city is not easy, so I just had to improvise, and this is how it looks like. So this is what I've done, guys. I need sun as much as possible, so the idea here is to make this a bit dry. Why we had to let this soak in water overnight is just to make it soft, extremely soft. I don't know if you can see that, but it can just easily break off. But I hope this will work. I hope it doesn't get blown away by the wind. It's not easy being far from everything, how you do everything traditionally, because if it was back home, you just put it on what is it called, on shade, like the storage. Don't mind my hair. This hair was washed yesterday. I had a lot of things to do. After doing this, I went to go take a shower because it's winter down here, so I was really cold and my hair was also dirty. So I was like, let me just do everything once off. So I had to go and wash my hair. I had gel in there. So yeah, I was saying, before back home, we'll do this. We'll put it on top of chishete, the storage, because it's higher from the ground, and yeah, so not so much sand will fall on it. But here I also had to put it, here, with the protection of that wall. I just also wanted to show you yesterday. This is how much we got. This is how much we got from after that thing I was doing. It's called kufefula in Subia. I think it's Lozi also kufefula. It's called kufefula. So after doing that, I would have done it differently. Like today there's wind, so I would have done the other traditional way, but of course this is not my yard, so we don't do that here. But if it was at the village, it's a big privilege, because this same thing we call it ihundu. So this same thing called ihundu, you can feed these chickens. Goats eat these things, but mostly chicken. So that's why in the other vlog and the other sit down chit chat video where I was giving you the rural area business idea, I mentioned that it's not really difficult to take care or to start a small business where everything is available. So the moment you do this, if you still do this in your village, so like this, you have maybe 5 chickens, could be enough, could last close to a week, if not a week. So what is stopping you? Hello, we are done. I'd like to show off my work now. I decided to cover my hair. You know you can't deal with food and your hair being outside, so I just want to show off now. I just want to show off what I've done. Look at what I've done. Sorry guys, the other phone just died on me. So I was saying this is what you cook mukeme with. So that's why you guys, you need to subscribe, stay tuned on this channel so that you do not miss out on any of these videos. Very soon I'll have a video coming up on how to prepare this. It will be a vlog, of course, is our style. So let me show you the beans also, that they are ready. I just watered the garden, my goodness. So you see that they're ready to harvest. In fact, I must come and harvest them. I must already come and harvest. And then we dry them up. Once we're done, then we make our samp. This is how we end our vlog in style. I'll see you in this video or in this video here.